I'm John, and this is Hurley with Ezydog, and this is the doggy flotation device, otherwise known as the DFD. Several great features on the DFD. We've got two neoprene belly straps here, which really helps you customize the fit. It's comfortable for the dog, and it helps the vest stay put forward and back as well as side to side. There's reflective piping along here for nighttime safety. There's a super strong D-ring here, so you can actually attach a leash to it, as well as a grab handle. Once you have fit the vest, it's super easy on and off because you really don't need to undo the neck strap. You just undo the side buckles, pull it off that way. One of the most important features of the DFD is just the flotation material itself. If you compare ours to a lot of others on the market, you'll see that we have between 35 and 70% more flotation material in here. So it really helps the dog stay up, which you'll see later in the video. Again, this is the doggy flotation device from Ezydog. Thanks, Hurley.